lalo-lalo na po sa mga kabataan, sa mga youth. Kasi po dahil po dito sa IYF, kami po ay nakakaroon ng kaalaman, natututo po kami.
IYF World Camp 2017 is a very great help for all the Davaoenos youth nowadays because it helps us become aware of what should be our roles as young people who can contribute to our city, to our country, as especially to become knowledgeable enough as to what we should be someday as future leaders, as the hope of the nation.
I've never seen such enthusiastic audiences in the world. So every step the Righteous Stars made, they reacted, they screamed, and they shouted, and that was quite impressive for me.
Nagbibigay po ito ng hope, which is nagtutulong ito para mabigyan ng lakas loob ang mga kabataan upang tumayo sa sariling mabago ang mundo. Kaya marami akong natutunan dito at napakasaya po.
So far po, bali, ito po yung best camp na yung napuntahon ko. So marami po akong nakita ang mga magaganda pong opportunity sa World Camp na to. So bali po, ito yung nagbigay sa mga student po na makilala yung sarili nila, maging yung matutunan nila kung paano maging isang leader.
Really a great chance and great time that we can see that many students they can experience how to change their mind and how to change their hearts, and really it's a great opportunity for all the Filipinos in the Philippines to experience this World Camp. So I'm happy that everybody here, they sacrifice their time, they sacrifice their hearts, and they are here to learn many things for this World Camp.
IYF World Camp 2017 is very fun. They give us lessons, experiences na napakasaya at saka napaka-helpful para sa amin para i-develop namin aming mga sarili.
One word to describe it, it was amazing. The experience is so unforgettable. The teachings and also the experience.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the best World Camp ever.
This is my first time to witness this kind of camp. For me, it's such a great honor to be part of IYF.
This is an honor to be part of this camp because it is really great.
IYF is an opportunity to everyone, an open door to have a change in life.
It was great hanging out with people that is not really that close to you, but then in this event you can really hang out with them.
It's very inspirational. I think it made us realize how important life is.
We had the chance to meet other people, new faces.
This work camp make people to experience in Broadway, like they can experience other things which cannot experience when they are in college life. So they can overcome the challenge, like they have to wake up so early.
This World Camp 2017 is held here in the Philippines, and especially this university, which is University of Southeastern Philippines. It's kind of peculiar in a way that they have this mind lecture, and we, the students, are always studying, but in mind lecture, we learn a lot that is not, what we call as, hindi natin natutunan sa eskwelahan.
Maganda siya kasi tinuturo nila sa amin yung mga ibang cultures sa ibang bansa, yung mga foods nila, yung mga dance, at saka yung mga cultural na ginagawa nila.
World Camp 2017 IYF here in Davao, Philippines is one of the most biggest event of International Youth Fellowship. So being part of this event, I was so thankful, and together with the USAP students.
Masaya ako dahil nagkaroon kami for the first time dito sa Davao. Tapos yung paghahanda rin, hindi basta-basta, talagang sobrang busy.
All I can say to this 2017 IYF World Camp is most memorable and precious moments with the volunteers and participants of this World Camp, especially the USEP students, because through this World Camp, many students receive joy, happiness, and then through the program of the IYF, surely not only they will not change their heart, but also their life will be changed.
IYF is amazing.
It's awesome.
IYF is Guzman!
IYF is the ship of change.
IYF is awesome!